we're able to input the photographs very quickly, very well, and very professionally.
Hey everyone, this is Jackie from Gem Lightbox. We're here at the JCK show in 2025, and I'm here with the amazing Elva from Valentine's Jewelry, and they're located in Dallas, Pennsylvania. Please make sure you check out their jewelry. And Elva, you've been one of our very long-time customers. Can you first of all tell us, before you had the Gem Lightbox, what kind of challenges were you facing with your photography?
Well, to be honest, we couldn't get a decent picture on our website. Everything was dark, the backgrounds didn't match, we were getting pictures from manufacturers, so it was not a coordinated, nice-looking presentation. We have really purchased every Gem Lightbox since the beginning, since its inception, and continue to move forward with the improved technology and have found that it really works amazingly well.
Can you tell us in quantifiable terms, how has the Gem Lightbox helped your business? How has it helped your efficiency? And maybe the overall kind of revenue that you've generated as well?
Okay. Well, we're able to input the photographs very quickly, very well, and very professionally. I think that we get a lot of customer requests. What do you have in this? What do you have in that? They don't go to the website necessarily. They call directly. So we're able to grab some extra pictures, give them some views, and show them exactly what we have. And I think we sell more jewelry because of it. I know that I sell jewelry basically, I know I'm in Dallas, Pennsylvania, which is a little bitty town in northeastern PA, but we sell jewelry all over the country. I have a guy in Austin, Texas who buys everything for me. Send him a few photos and away we go.
Amazing.